Good morning, folks.
Good morning, folks. So we're back today with an eyebrow tutorial.
Girl, you need to shut up. Hey everybody, so welcome back to my channel. So I promised you guys an easy eyebrow tutorial, and I'm finally getting around to it by June 4th. Hi, that's how I am, that's how I roll. And can we stop for 1 minute and just look at my face? I look like something out of a horror movie. The bitch that kills you with no eyebrows. So yeah, I already have my face on. I don't have any foundation. Just for the simple fact because I hate wearing foundation in the summertime because I sweat to death in the summertime, and I don't want foundation and all that stuff clogging my pores. So a lot of times I'm very limited with wearing foundation in the summertime. So let me shut up and let's dive into this. I only use 5 things for my eyebrows, and the first thing I use is this little ELF eyebrow kit, and this is in the medium 81302. And when you open it up, it just looks something like this. It screams knockoff of NARS packaging to me. And as you guys can tell, I am completely low and need to pick up another one. And then I use an ELF gel. I'm having complications. So I just use an ELF eyebrow gel, and on one end it says eyelashes, and the other end it says eyebrows. Girl, I use both ends for my eyebrows. And this is only $2, and I think this is either $2 or $3 as well. And then I just use a Dollar Tree product, which is a Wet n Wild pencil that I picked up, and this seriously lasts me anywhere from 5 to 6 months depending on how heavily I use my eyebrows. Hi. How many times I put my eyebrows on. And then I just have a ELF lash and brow wand. Super cheap. I think this was like $1 or $2. Girl, I'm not spending a lot of money on my eyebrows, okay? And then I just use a angled brush that I got from a brush pack from BH Cosmetics a while ago. So yeah, this is everything that I use to put my eyebrows on. So without other ado, let's jump into this. Alright, so the first thing that I do is I brush them nappy ass eyebrows. And all I do is, at this point, is I just shape them to how I want them. So I just oh. Alright, we're getting payoff, which I don't need right now, girl, in my life. We don't need payoff from my brush. Alright, so my eyebrows should be looking something like this. They're brushed. They're looking okay. So the next thing I do is I go in with my angled brush, and I just go in with the gel side. I never use this side. It's a-okay with me because this product is very cheap, and all I do is tap a little bit of product on my brush, and then I outline the very top of my eyebrows. Alright, and we're done. I'm just joking. Alright, so then I go back in with my brush, and I once again just brush my eyebrows out. just for the simple fact because I want to blend the product that I just put over my eyebrows a little bit, just so it doesn't look like an extremely harsh ass line like that. So this is what my eyebrows should be looking like at this point. And then the next thing I'm going to do is go in with my eyebrow pencil, and all I'm going to do is slightly, sometimes I get heavy with my hand, I'm pretty sure everybody does, but I'm going to try to just slightly keep following the trace of my eyebrows. Because you want your eyebrows to still look natural. You don't want them to look like you physically drew them on. So I'm liking that look so far. So actually this morning I didn't go that heavy with my pencil. So the next thing we're going in is the very secret to my eyebrows is this brush right here. So we're going in and I'm going to brush everything out because like I said, we want it to look natural. Girl, I'm getting ahead of myself. Next thing that we're going to do alright, so the next step is we're going in with our eyelash gel. I'm telling you, this brush right here is the secret. So what we're going to do is obviously lay our eyebrows down. Now I do want to let you guys know this is not the best eyebrow gel out there. This is just what I use. And then all I'm doing is brushing my forward eyebrows upwards like this. Okay. If it looks a little crazy right now, you're okay because we are not done. The next step after the eyebrow gel is we're going in with my angled brush, and this time I'm going to coat both sides of this brush with the eyebrow gel, and then this time we're going to go under the eyebrow so we can sculpt the eyebrow out. Yeah, we're not physically taking our eyebrow out, but that's why I brush my hair up like that, so I get an accurate line of the bottom part of my eyebrows. And then I go upward, especially in this end of my eyebrows because we want it to look natural, as I said. Alright, and one other tip that I do want to let you guys know is when you are doing the bottom part of your eyebrow, always do an angle of the brush because your eyebrows are naturally angled. Alright, and then bring it on over. Okay, and then if you are not satisfied with your wings right here or the curvedness of it, what I like to do is tell everybody to always follow their natural eyebrow hair, because that's actually like your actual, what am I trying to say? That's like your natural way of the way that your eyebrows go. Like some girls have straight eyebrows that just go like that. Some people have curvedness to it. I always tell everybody that always asks me, I love your eyebrows. How do you get your eyebrows so flawless? And I always just tell them, follow your natural hairline of your eyebrows, because that will give you the natural look of your eyebrows. And everybody's like, but you make your eyebrows look so perfect. That's the natural way of my eyebrows. Alright, so I am not satisfied with this arch over here. So all I'm doing is I dipped back into my eyebrow gel, and all I'm doing is I'm following that first line that I created on the top, and then I'm going to swoop down. Alright, and then let's see, this side. Swoop down. Okay, so this is what my eyebrows are looking like at this specific moment. Like I said, I'm not perfect. I do have problems with my eyebrows some morning. Like, there are some mornings where I'm just looking at myself like, why did you leave the house with your eyebrows looking like that? So I'm going back in with my pencil, because as you guys can see where I added more of an arch, they need to be filled in or we're going to be looking a little weird. And once again, gentle strokes. Alright, and then just check for any flawlessness of your eyebrows that you're not really liking. Fix them and you're good to go, girl. Like, it's very simple. It does not take me that long to do my eyebrows. A lot of people think that, now in my opinion, I do think my eyebrows take a little bit longer than any other thing. Like, I can put my eyeliner on in a minute, my mascara on in a minute, but my eyebrows do take a little bit more timing, just for the simple fact because my key is that little spoolie brush is to blend your eyebrows out to make them look as natural as possible without having them look like you painted them on. So yeah, some little tips and tricks. If you are somebody who can't free draw your eyebrows, like I said, it does take time and it does take practice, because I have practiced for a long time to try to get my eyebrows. I have studied other YouTube videos of eyebrow tutorials, and I just said, you know, if I really want my eyebrows to look this way, then I need to really try to practice. So it does take practicing. They do make eyebrow stencils if you feel like you're not confident enough to actually free draw your eyebrows on. They do make eyebrow stencils. And if you just don't want to, you can always brush your eyebrows if you have natural, beautiful eyebrows, which I wish I was blessed with. Or you can always get a, you can always get your eyebrows tattooed. I know there's a name for it, but you don't just go to a tattoo shop and be like, I need some eyebrows. And they're like, kill beans, get on the table. You actually have to go to a beauty salon type where they actually do eyebrow cosmetics and all that stuff. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was a requested video by a couple people, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big huge thumbs up. And as always, I upload every 3 days due to working purposes, and you're beautiful. Don't let nobody tell you otherwise. You rock. And as always, you guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.